Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for WeChat without a QR code. First, download the official WeChat app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open it and select Sign Up. You'll typically see options like Sign Up with Mobile or Sign Up via Facebook. We recommend choosing Sign Up with Mobile. Then, input your full name, select your country code, enter your mobile phone number, and create a secure password. This is the essential first step for everyone. Now for a clever trick to potentially bypass the QR code. After entering your details, you'll likely encounter a security verification, often involving dragging a puzzle piece. Here's the key. As this security page is loading, quickly turn off your internet connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or mobile data. Wait for about 5 to 10 seconds, then turn your internet back on. This specific timing can sometimes trick the system, leading directly to an SMS verification code instead of the QR scan. If the internet trick doesn't work on your first or second try, don't worry, there are other avenues. Some users might see options like verify via payment card or verify and activate WeChat Pay during the registration process. If these appear, follow the prompts to use your bank card for verification. Another effective method is to reach out to WeChat's Help Center. You can usually find this option on the login screen. Clearly explain your situation, stating you cannot get a QR code scan, and request their direct assistance. To maximize your chances, remember a few important tips. First, if a method doesn't work immediately, try it again. Sometimes persistence pays off. It's also crucial to avoid using a VPN when you're initially registering your WeChat account, as this can sometimes trigger additional security checks. Keep in mind that verification requirements can vary significantly based on your country or region. Always ensure the mobile number you provide is active and readily available to receive any necessary SMS verification codes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.